guys, Mr. G here, excited about our 3D printing units. So just a couple quick thoughts. So we still are using our X and Y coordinates, but just imagine we are taking our video game screen and just putting it on the ground almost so it's facing up. We still have our X and Y, but what happens in 3D printing, we are introduced then to the Z coordinate that actually heads up vertically and is going to add all this depth and make this thing become real, which is so exciting. So we're doing computer-aided design, which is basically a software that lets us or enables us to create models in either 2 or 3-dimensional formats. And a good example of that is Tinkercad, which is something we're going to use. So for us, our 3D models that we're making, it's basically, according to Google, mathematical representation of something 3-dimensional. So if it's a model, we can see it on the screen. It's the digital makeup. And if we were to print these models using a 3D printer, then they truly will become just like your action figures or toys. You could actually hold them. It's just really awesome and fun to do. So we are going to be making 3D models. We're using our CAD software of Tinkercad. We're about to make accounts. So a couple things you need to be aware of. You're going to click on a link like this. The nickname that, so most importantly, we are tying this to our Google account, our U46 account. And our nickname will be our first and last name. And then you'll notice here's the code you're going to need, and you just get to it by this link right here. And that's going to get you in. And then once we're ready to go, you'll see our work plane here. And basically it's the surface where we take these components you see all the way to the right, and you're going to drop them in, manipulate them, change. I mean, it's really fun. And I'm super excited about this. So once we're done with this, we're actually going to create our accounts. Can't wait to do it. Let's go.